Hello, this is Brent Reed with Kirschmeyer Industries, and I will be analyzing the UI announcement to change conferences with their football program. This report has been requested by the firm ABC Public Relations. The video we will be using for our evaluation is the April 28, 2016 press conference, featuring President Chuck Staben, center video, to his left, head coach Paul Petrino, and to Staben's right, athletic director Rob Spear. This was held at the University of Idaho in Moscow, Idaho. I will be focusing on their credibility based on their body language seen in the video footage. During the announcement, all three men are sitting very rigid with their hands folded on top of the table. This is a sign that all three men were extremely uncomfortable with the situation they were in and would rather be anywhere but at this press conference. This closed folded hands indicates they were not comfortable with being transparent in regards to the information being made public. They also exhibited the same behavior during the question and answer segment of this press conference. When President Staben gets into a speech, Athletic Director Rob Spear starts looking around the room and fidgeting with his hands. This shows his nervousness with the situation. During Chuck Staben's speech, Paul Petrino was constantly puckering and unpuckering his lips. This is a sign of his distaste to what was being said. The actions of this panel of men has shown how not to portray themselves in professional settings. These body gestures do not reinforce the words they were saying. If in the future ABC Public Relations needs to hold a similar press conference, it would be my recommendation as a consultant of Kirschmeyer Industries that the presenters be coached on using proper body language for the situation. This is Brent Reed. Thank you for your time.